Hello guys, my name is Karash and welcome to Investor Academy. This is charting basically in which this is basically a screener where we can screen the stocks by putting some conditions on it. So here I have put some conditions in which first condition is that latest RSI of the stock should be greater than 60 and one day ago RSI of the stock should be less than 60. So basically it was a funny condition because the market was continuously falling from last 5 days, so I was wondering that there would be no stock in such a condition, but I got 6 stocks after the scan, and all are not very interesting, but Aurobindo Pharma is somewhat interesting stock because the pharma sector is inversely related to the Nifty because Nifty is falling due to the COVID reasons of Omicron virus, and pharma sector is helping to fight with it. So pharma sector will rise due to this, and so I decided to check the Oro Pharma stock. So in the Oro Pharma, I was able to see that the stock was continuously falling from the last COVID wave of Delta. After that, the stock hasn't recovered, and from August 23rd August to 23rd November, the stock was continuously falling and it was in a downtrend, whereas the RSI of the stock was continuously increasing, right? And here we can see that there was a parallel channel in which stock was consolidating, and here we can see that the stock was consolidating in this parallel channel, and where it started to consolidate between this two range, between 710 to 678 levels, and after that it gave a false breakout downside, right? And it did not sustain there, and it come back again in this channel and break the parallel channel at the upside and retested the channel, and now it's going up. So basically what I mean to say is that here the stock has formed a inverse head and shoulder pattern. See, I will remove the parallel channel so you can see it nicely. So here is the inverse head and shoulder pattern where the left shoulder indicates that the stock was consolidating, head indicated that it was a false breakdown, and it again started consolidating, and it gave the breakout of 710 levels, 710 711 levels, right? So this is great opportunity in Aurobindo Pharma where the stop loss is around 705 levels, and we have to enter at market opening tomorrow, and we can see for the targets of 735, 762, 824, and the biggest target is 897, which also can be achieved. Just you need to trail your stop loss. Basically the stock was in downtrend. You can see that it was making a series of lower highs and lower lows. So now this trend has been changed and the stock is making higher high and higher low. So basically next higher low will give you a trailing stop loss. Stock will move like this and you can put stop loss below this level. Sorry, because I was having some health issues, so I was not able to upload market analysis last week. And sorry, I want to also say that because I did not upload any video since last week, and I want to also explain the RSI, which is relative strength index, which indicates the strength in the stock. Now basically RSI is nothing, just it is a relative strength index which is a momentum indicator which has a reading from 0 to 100 levels. So RSI is a popular momentum oscillator developed in 1978. The RSI provides technical traders with signals about bullish and bearish price momentum. An asset is usually considered overbought when RSI is above 70 and oversold when it is below 30. So basically here it is said that when RSI is above 70 and RSI is below 30, it is overbought and oversold zone. But I want to say that I am not using 70-30 levels, I am using 60-40 because of the Fibonacci retracement, and it works better, right? You can believe me, it really works better. I have been using it since 7 months and it gave me great results. And currently the currently RSI is above 60 levels. So it's a bullish trend. Total return from this investment, we can see that it can give, if you can hold it till target 2, you can get a 6% return. Till target 3, it's almost 15%. And if you will be able to hold till final target, your return can be just like a 25%. So thank you guys for watching, and Aurobindo Pharma is my big trading pick. And I also want to say that HCL technology, which I shared last market analysis video, in which there was the same pattern, like it was moving in a downtrend and it created an inverse head and shoulder pattern. See, you can see that it was moving in a downtrend, it created an inverse head and shoulder pattern here, and I predicted that it will be breaking it around 13 December, but it broke around 21st of December. So any one of you have, if entered, you have been achieved around 2.67%, and our first target is 1240 levels, which is around 4.5%. So thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in another video.